This is the Vivo Y16 and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. Then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app, and while opening Opera app for the first time, it is required that we undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app from the start. I'll skip this step, and then on this final page, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.